We're gonna go shopping at home. I've not been in this store. I also hear that some of them are closing, but I'm not sure. It's like a home goods store. So we're gonna go in and take a look and see what they have. First thing I can tell you is I love it because look where my coffee cup gets to sit. Ah, oh my goodness. I'm actually looking for very specific items. We'll see if they have it. But look at all the planters and seasonal stuff. My goodness. All right, let's look for what I'm trying to find. Please. What is that? That is 13.5-foot dog skeleton. Oh my goodness. Football season. Do we need oh, that's so soft. They have that football pillow. I don't know how much these are. And then look at that. Huge lumbar pillow. 'Tis the season. I don't know how much they are though. Let's see. Ah, sorry, found it. $24.99. Oh, these are only $19.99. That's fun. Look at these. 19. And how much are these? 30. Oh, I love it. Guys, I'm kind of excited. Look at this big black cat. This is the season that I get all the stuff for Wellington and Alex. Because it's black cat season. Carvable pumpkins. Oh, not carvable. These are plastic. That's not bad. $10. And then the fall stuff. I'm feeling fallish. I want that chair, but not for $499. Let's see what they have back here. Oh, porch decor. Little gnomes, I love them. He's only $20. And look at that big one. I think my HOA would freak out. I mean, I'm on the board. I know they would freak out. Aww. And then little trick-or-treaters. Oh my gosh. That's adorable. We need that. Oh! And then here's spooky Halloween stuff. That's cute. But I don't need spooky. This is why I'm here. I have these cups. Like these with the black cat, and I need the candle. So that is why I'm here. Let's see which one we like. They're a little pricey, but I don't care. And they have in the pumpkin. But don't I need that for my house? And look at the strawberry and the little, I love these glass. Look at the Snoopy. My cousin would love that. I gotta tell her about it. And the pumpkin fall cups. Oh, I love it. I actually got something very similar to this at the Dollar Tree. You just gotta shop around, friends. Ooh, what is this? What's happening over here? Football Football stuff, napkins. Look at these towels. What is that? Must become seasoning for a smash burger. These are cute too. Hello, fall. These are $12.99. Look at that one. I like that one a lot. Ooh, football. Oh. Oh, I do like this. It's football season. Hello, fall. I want this one. Oh my God. That is adorable. We may need that too. How much is it? $7.99. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Oh gosh, instead of a porch goose, do you think I need a porch pig? $50. I could dress them. I can make my own. Oh, these are cool. I love this store. I haven't been in here in a long time. We'll do many tours of here because I don't have that much time, but let's find clearance. See what they got in the clearance section. There's a cat butt. All right, we're gonna go down here, clearance. So 25% off. I don't need any blankets. Let's be truthful, I don't need anything. But, oh, curtains. All right, I'm gonna look around. Actually, I do need a new trash can. I don't know how much this is. Oh. Whoa. Maybe, I don't know. I do need a new trash can, but I don't like these. We're gonna see. Maybe they have one I like, maybe they don't, because mine is broken. And then back here, they have all the furniture, which is cool. Hassocks, we got a kid going back to college. All the storage and stuff. That would be great for a dorm room or a small bathroom. That would be great. All the kitchen stuff. Little baskets. Oh, look at those. That's a neat little storage cart. Oh yeah, this is perfect for college kids. Get ready to leave, but do I need this pillow in my life? I mean, I do not. But it's a sitter, and look at his legs. He could live at my house. And the new pastel stuff for Halloween is interesting. Let's see. Oh, I have this mug from Tim Hortons that I'll get out. But cute. Fun, cute Halloween stuff. All right, let's roll.